Welcome to our compact washer showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison between two popular portable washing machines, the Comfee 0.9 cubic feet and the Ubila 15.8 L mini washer. Whether you're living in a small apartment, a dorm, or just need a portable solution for your laundry, these two machines offer unique features tailored to different needs. Let's explore their specifications, benefits, and drawbacks to help you make an informed decision. The Comfee portable washing machine is a fully automatic model, meaning it handles the entire washing process from start to finish without any manual intervention. In contrast, the Ubila mini washer is semi-automatic, requiring users to fill and drain the machine manually, which may be less convenient for some. This key difference can significantly impact your laundry experience, especially if you prefer a hands-free approach. When it comes to capacity, the Comfee washer offers 0.9 cubic feet, making it suitable for small households and regular laundry loads. On the other hand, the Ubila mini washer has a capacity of 15.8 liters, which is ideal for delicate items and smaller laundry tasks. If you frequently wash larger loads, the Comfee may be the better choice, while the Ubila excels in portability and space-saving design. Portability is another crucial factor to consider. The Comfee washer weighs 44.1 pounds, making it less portable and more suited for a dedicated laundry space. In contrast, the Ubila mini washer is incredibly lightweight at just 3.6 pounds and features a foldable design, making it perfect for travel or storage in tight spaces. If you need a washer that can easily be moved or stored away, the Ubila is the clear winner. In conclusion, both the Comfee and Ubila portable washing machines have their unique strengths and weaknesses. The Comfee offers a robust, fully automatic washing experience with a larger capacity, while the Ubila shines in portability and affordability. Depending on your specific needs, whether it's regular laundry loads or quick washes for delicate items, one of these machines is sure to meet your requirements. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.